I'm going to teach you how to evaluate this logarithmic expression here on the board. We have this. Now, since this expression is being expressed in the same words, now here the first step to apply here is for it to apply product and quotient logarithmic properties right here. That is, wherever we have plus or addition sign, we are going to change it to multiplication, and negative, we change it to division. And when you apply this principle here, this expression to be written as log to base 10 into root 35 multiply by root 2 divided by root 7. Now we simplify this further, and we're going to have log into root 7, root 35 multiplied by root 2, that will give us root 70, then divided by root 7 to base 10. Now root 70 divided by root 7, you're going to have here log root 10 base 10. Now, this expression can also be written as log 10 to the power of 1 over 2 base 10. This is the same thing as this. Now, at this point, we are going to apply power rule here. We are going to return the power here, 1 over 2 to the back of the log. And the expression becomes 1 over 2 log 10 base 10. And record that if you have log a to base a, but this is equivalent to 1. Therefore, here log 10 to base 10 is 1, and as such, the expression becomes 1 over 2 multiplied by 1. Therefore, and this equals 1 over 2. And this is the answer to this given logarithmic expression here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.